Hello my dear children of class 7, hope all of you are doing well. Today we are going to learn about monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial and polynomial, that is the different types of algebraic expressions. Also we are going to learn about coefficients. So let's begin. See, monomial means when there is only one term. Alright, example 2x, only one term is there, 2 into x. Or 5 is only one term. Or minus 6a, all these are monomials. Next, binomial, the term bi means 2, so binomial also means two terms. So example 2a plus b, see there are two terms, 2a and b. 3x minus 5, there are two terms, 3x is a single term and minus 5. Alright, now why am I taking 3x as a single term? Whenever I am multiplying or dividing, it becomes one term. Alright, so 2x is one term, 2 into x becomes 2x, only one term. Similarly 3x is one term. Next we are having trinomial. Term tri means 3, so trinomial means three terms. Ax square plus bx plus c, a plus b plus c. Next we have quadrinomial. Quad means 4, so quadrinomial means 4 terms. X plus y minus z plus 2, this is an example of quadrinomial. Next, polynomial. Any expression with one or more terms is known as polynomial. So every monomial, binomial, trinomial, quadrinomial are examples of polynomial. All these together are known as polynomial. Next, let us move on to the exercise then. Question number 2 part 1, minus 16a square b. This is a single term, so this is a monomial. 2 part 2, x square y square minus 1. There are two terms here, so this is a binomial. 4m square plus 2n minus 3. There are three terms here, so this is a trinomial. Next, question number 3 part 1. You have to express these terms as factors. So 9a square b. What we will do? First write the number, then a square. So a is being multiplied two times. So a into a and b. So a into b. This is the expression as factors. Minus 11x square y square. Minus 11x square means x into y square means y into y. Next, x to the power 4 y cube. X to the power 4, so x into x into x into x. And y cube means y into y into y. Alright. Next we are having 4 part 1. You have to identify the constant term in the given polynomial. So the constant term in p square minus 9 is minus 9. The constant term in 17x plus 7y minus 10 is minus 10. Next, this is very important children. 5 part 1. Coefficient of k cube in minus 3k cube y square r. Here it means apart from k cube, what other factors are there? So what we will do? Simply, since there is k cube given, put your finger on k cube. What are the rest numbers and literals you are left with? You are having minus 3, you are having y square r. So coefficient of k cube in minus 3k cube y square r is minus 3y square r. Whose coefficient you will be asked? Put a finger on that. Next, question number 5 part 2. Coefficient of a square b in 2a square b square c square. Now you are not having directly a square b here. See, you are having a square b square here. So what we will do? First we will write 2a square b square c square in factor form. So 2 into a into b into c into c. So we are asked the coefficient of a square b. So a square, so a into a will go, and b, so a into a and b, 1b will go. So you are having 2 into b into c into c. So 2b c square. That is your answer. Next, number part 4, numerical coefficient in 15x square k z cube. Numerical coefficient means the number. So here 15 is the only number, others are literals. So we will write this equal to 15. If you had literal coefficient, then instead of 15, whatever the letters are there, you would have to write that. So I hope you were clear with this, children. So I will give you some homeworks from the sums which we have done today as classwork, and you will have to complete them. Please update everything regularly, otherwise you yourself will have problem in your later classes. Alright. Stay safe at home. Thank you, class.